I just shared the tiniest noise or sound machine ever on my live, and everybody loved it. It's $8.49, I believe. Comes with a little carrying strap. It's tiny. Your speaker is there. You can set a timer if you want to. There's 30, 60, 90-minute options. Volume control. Listen to the sounds. It has nature sounds and lullabies. It's perfect for anybody. There's your lullaby. It's itty bitty. It fits in my hand. So I'm going to link it right here. I think it's $8.49. It's such a good deal. Perfect for travel. Perfect for a diaper bag. You really can't beat this.